Alright guys, back with another video. This is on the same day as the micro SD card unboxing. It's right here. You'll be able to, you will find that video right next to this video right here. And so this is a little all-in-one adapter for micro SD or SD cards, and there's two other, I'm pretty sure. But it costs about $8 on Amazon.ca. It's fairly cheap. And it comes with two of them actually, so they showed a bunch of different colors, I'm pretty sure. For me, I got the blue and the orange. They say the same thing on both. I'm not sure if it's focused, but yeah. So you can just open this right here. There's a little USB thing you can put into your computer. USB adapter. Alright, so then there's the SD place where you put the SD card. You can put the micro SD card in there, I'm pretty sure. Since I have it right beside me, I'll try it out. Alright, simple enough. I'm not really sure which way it is. Yeah, it's definitely this way. So, there we go. It's kind of rigid, it's very rigid. But, it's going upward. Alright, there we go. So that's how it is. And then for the SD card, yep, definitely not that way. Alright, it's pretty difficult to place in. But as long as this works, it's well worth the money. Oh Lord, something broke off. Yep, I don't know if you guys can see that, but something fell apart inside. Oh, it's from the top. Here, let me get an angle. I don't know if you guys can see that roof over there, but it just broke. But yeah, so it seems like it's supposed to go in this way. I'm not really sure why it's slanting like that. There we go. That's how it's supposed to be. I'm gonna keep that in. It's quite hard to put in, but yeah. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate it. And yeah, if you guys wanted to see this, just in case. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.